Welcome to our latest video where we compare two popular air fryers, Chefman Small Compact Air Fryer and Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL. These air fryers have unique features that differentiate them from each other. So let's get started with our comparison. If price is a factor for you, then the Chefman Small Compact Air Fryer is the clear winner at only $49. However, if you are willing to spend more for additional features, the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL is priced at $159. The Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL has a larger 5.5 quarts, non-stick basket and crisper plate, allowing you to cook up to 3 pounds of French fries or wings with ease. The Chefman Small Compact Air Fryer, on the other hand, is designed for personal use and has a smaller capacity. If you're looking for versatility, the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL is the way to go. It includes 5 versatile cooking programs such as air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, making it the ultimate kitchen tool. The Chefman Small Compact Air Fryer, on the other hand, only has manual temperature control and a 60-minute integrated timer. Both the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL and Chefman Small Compact Air Fryer achieve perfect fried results with little or no oil, providing a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. However, according to the product description, the Chefman Air Fryer uses at least 98% less oil than traditional fryers, making it a healthier option. When it comes to cleaning, both the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL and Chefman Small Compact Air Fryer are easy to clean. They have non-stick baskets and crisper plates that are dishwasher safe. The Chefman Air Fryer's black basket and tray are top rack dishwasher safe, while the Ninjas are just non-stick and easy to clean. Chefman offers a 1-year warranty for their air fryer, providing added security for your investment. There is no information on how long the warranty for the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL is, though it is worth noting that both products are CETL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability. Thank you for watching our product comparison video on the Chefman Small Compact Air Fryer and the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL. We hope this video helped you decide which air fryer is the right one for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons.